Indians for sale. There you go. There's a nice one there. Look at that one. The charcoal one. Nice. Very nice.
And it's really cool. It's like, well, I was wondering what you said. But actually, the way it's geared with the 5-speed hub and I put.
Sweet. Take it home. Look them up.
We crossed over and
That's a 2016, right? Yeah, it's nice. Wow. It's got a nice look to it from the tail end. Wow. Yeah, you guys, if you ever get in here, look at there. Watkins, Minnesota. They got the Polaris dealer up there. They also sell these Indians too. Prices aren't bad either. 21 grand. That ain't bad actually. Here you go, guys. How do you pronounce that name there on there?
Mies Outland.
Mies Outland?
Yep.
Okay. Put a link and they can get a hold of you guys. Right?